Hey guys, welcome to How to Solution, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can create an account on Steam from your mobile phone. At first, head over to Google and search for Steam, and this one will come up. All you need to do is just long press and then go to open a new tab in group, and then this will come up. From there, tap on these three dots and then click on login. After that, just scroll down and click on join Steam. From there, put your email address and then confirm it one more time. After that, put your country and then I'm not a robot, and then you have to select all image with bicycle. Let me do that real quick, and then verify, and then click on this one and just press continue, and then it's going to say verify your email. And once you're done verifying it, you can head back to Google and there will be a verification here and you can confirm and the next steps will be done. And this is how you can create a Steam account on your mobile phone. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. And until then, take care.